Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, we are going to solve 7 power x plus 7 power 2x plus 7 power 3x equal 14 and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with today's video solution. So 7 power x plus 7 power 2x plus 7 power 3x equal 14. Now we can write this as 7 power x plus 7 power x power 2 plus 7 power x power 3 equal 14. As per exponent rule, a power mn, we can write it as a power m power n. So now let 7 power x equal y. So it becomes y plus y square plus y cube equal 14. So y cube plus y square plus y equal 14. I can write it as 8 plus 4 plus 2. So y cube minus 8 plus y cube minus 4 plus y minus 2 equals 0. So this 8 I can write it as 2 cube plus y square minus 4 as 2 square plus y minus 2 equals 0. Now I am going to use two very famous identities, that is a cube minus b cube equal a minus b times a square plus ab plus b square. A square minus b square equal a plus b times a minus b. So we can write this as y minus 2 times y square plus 2y plus 4 plus y plus 2, and this we can write y minus 2. What is left? Y minus 2 equals 0. Now I can take this y minus 2 as common. So what's left? Y square plus 2y plus 4 plus this y plus 2 and this as 1 equals 0. So y minus 2, this becomes y square is only 1 and in terms of y is 2y and y, that is 3y, and 4 plus 2 is 6 plus 1 is 7 equals 0. So first case when y minus 2 equals 0, so y is equals to 2. Now second case y square plus 3y plus 7 equals 0. So I'm going to check the discriminant, that whether real roots exist or not. So it's 3 square minus 4 times 1 times 7, that is 9 minus 28, that is negative 19, which is less than 0. So no real solution exists. So I'm solving this y equal to, so let's remember 7 power x equal to, so I'm taking log on both sides, log 7 power x equal log 2, x log 7 equal log 2, x equal log 2 by log 7, x equal log 2 with base 7. So this is the value of x. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.